Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make these fluffy, moist carrot cake cupcakes. I'll also be showing you guys how to pipe these super cute carrots to make your cupcakes look even more special. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by making our batter. So we're going to mix in both of our sugars. I'm using 1 cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of light brown sugar, and we're also going to add 2 eggs to that. We're going to mix this through until it gets nice and creamy. So now we're going to mix in a half a cup of vegetable oil, a half a cup of crushed pineapple, and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. So if you're not a fan of pineapple, an alternative would be pureed oranges. It gives these cupcakes a sweet, bright flavor and works just as good as crushed pineapple. So next we're going to start to sift our dry ingredients. So in a separate bowl, combine 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of fresh nutmeg. So now we're going to add our dry ingredients to our sugar mixture. We're going to add this a little bit at a time so we don't overmix the batter. So once all your dry ingredients are mixed in, we're going to add our shredded carrots. I use about 4 to 5 carrots for this recipe. So what I'm doing now is I'm turning my mixer on and off, gently mixing in the carrots so I don't overmix the batter. I like to give the batter a final mix by hand just to make sure I got all the dry ingredients mixed in well. So after your batter is done, we're going to use an ice cream scoop to pour our batter into cupcake liners. This recipe makes about 18 to 20 cupcakes. So now we're going to bake these cupcakes in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes or until you insert a toothpick in the center and it comes out completely clean. So next we're going to make our cream cheese frosting. We're going to mix in unsalted butter with cream cheese and we're going to mix this for about 5 minutes until it looks super creamy. So I already have a recipe for this on my channel. It's in my super fluffy cinnamon roll video. I'll make sure to link that video in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So I just doubled the recipe to have enough frosting for my cupcakes. So now we're going to slowly add powdered sugar. Also, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1 teaspoon of salt. So we're going to mix this through for about 5 to 7 minutes or until it looks super smooth and creamy. So now that we have our delicious cream cheese frosting done, looking beautiful and amazing, I'm going to teach you guys how to make these super cute carrots to decorate your cupcakes. So I'm using a round tip for the bottom of the carrot, and for the top part I used a start tip. So all you need to do is put some pressure on the top, then you're going to create a little wiggle with your pastry bag. And that's how you're going to get those little ridges that you see on a carrot. Then for the top part, you're going to create 3 lines with the green cream cheese frosting. So now that we have these cute carrots piped for our cupcakes, we're going to set these in the freezer for 10 minutes. So now we're going to start to pipe our cream cheese frosting on top of our cupcakes. So I'm just roughly piping some frosting on top because I'm going to smooth it over in a bit. So all I'm doing here is I'm using an offset spatula and I'm smoothing the frosting down, and I'm smoothing over the top as well. So these don't have to be perfect unless you are leaving them plain. So I wanted to add some texture to these cupcakes, so I'm adding chopped pecans around the cupcakes. You can also cover the frosting completely with crushed pecans if you would like, but also, like I said before, you can also leave it plain. So once that's done, you can set your cute piped carrots on top of your cupcake and you're all done. Carrot cake is one of my favorite cakes to enjoy, but having them as cupcakes makes it even more special for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!